Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trey with Ghost Tactical, and today we're going to do a quick review on the Streamlight TRL RM1 laser light rail-mounted lighting system. Before we dive into what our thoughts are and all that, let's take a look at some of the specs. The TRL RM1 features the latest in shockproof LED technology for high lumen operation. It provides 1.5 hours of runtime from a single CR123 lithium battery and delivers 500 lumens output. It delivers a powerful beam with extensive range, good peripheral coverage, and a selectable strobe mode. Its dimensions are it's just barely over 1 inch wide. The height is 1.27 inches and the overall length is 3.2 inches. And the weight, including the battery, comes out to 2.74 ounces. So we went out to the range and had some fun with it. Now I know you guys are going to say, well, it's not dark outside. It's not that dark outside. Well, my range does not allow us to shoot after dark. So I had to go out at dusk and it was getting dark. So you could still see the light and all of that. What I like about it is that the pressure pad is wide. And what we've done to mount it is we took a little small rail, flipped it upside down, attached it to the side rail, and the pressure pad fits perfectly inside an upside down Picatinny rail. So if you're looking for mounting options, that is something that you could probably have fun with. It does fit perfectly in that rail. And like I said, you can mount that however and wherever you want. And it really, the pressure pad is nice. If you don't want to run the pressure pad, you don't have to. You can run it without it. It's got a little thumb button up there and it works very nicely as well. And as you can see here, they have 3 different modes. The first is laser only, which is nice if you like to run that laser. The second is light only, which a lot of people will probably run. That's probably how I'm going to run it. And then you have the laser light combo that's going to give you a little bit of everything. Now, once again, when this light is on, it will continuously run for about 1.5 hours with this battery. I know people say, well, 500 lumens on a gun that you might be using for home defense and all of that, maybe a little bit bright. But understand this light in itself could be a weapon. If you're in your home and it's dark and you shine that light, just not only for identification, but you could utilize it as a weapon itself. You shine this in someone's eyes, if they're coming towards you or whatever, they're going to stop in their tracks. It is bright, bright, bright to where, like I said, this could end the threat right there without even having to pull a trigger. The light is going to be a nice little weapon in itself. I really have enjoyed this light. I have put it on and it is going to be the staple on my FM9 9mm carbine. And that gun is my self-defense truck gun, whatever it is. It's my CQB gun, if you will. And I trust Streamlight. I love Streamlight. I've got a bunch of their products and I've never been disappointed once. And the TRL RM1 is a great size, very lightweight, very durable. It is going to be my go-to light for my truck gun / CQB gun, whatever it is. So if you're looking for a light, whether it's for a long gun, an AR pistol, whatever it is, and you're looking for something that's going to be lightweight, it's going to be durable, and it is going to get the job done when you absolutely need it to get done, guys, go check out the Streamlight TRL RM1. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content here, we ask you to go ahead and subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Check out our website, ghosttacticalproductions.com. Until next time, Semper Fi.